Hello Gemini, this is your weekly love reading from 16 August to 22nd of August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, if you have in your birth chart in Gemini, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. Also, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's do your reading. Three of Swords, Nine of Wands, the Star, King of Wands and the Fool. Wow. Bottom of the deck is Seven of Wands. So lot of fire energy and I can see maybe you are dealing with the fire sign. So let's see, the sign present here is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aquarius is already present here and Aries also, Leo as well. These three signs are specifically present here. Let's pull out your bottom of the deck is Seven of Wands. So I can see that overall energy is Seven of Wands. That means you have been through something. Okay, maybe breakup, because I can see this Three of Swords. So you have been through a breakup in recently, and I can see that right now you are blocking any kind of communication from them. They tried to communicate you. They already tried to communicate you, but right now you are in a blocking energy. You don't want to give them any chance now. You have the upper hand in this situation right now, and you are actually closing off to this person, I can see. So you already closed off the cycle now, and you are just about to end this relationship. The World card, so I can see that you have already closed this chapter. Now you want to start a new fresh new beginning with somebody else or with this person. I don't know, it can be different for different people, but right now I can see new beginning and the closing of this cycle. So some of you will try to means you will try to be in a single mode. Okay, you want to be a single person for some time because you have already been through so many heartbreaks and all. So right now you want to rest actually, and you don't want to just jump into the new relationship, because you want to work on yourself. You want to work on your spirituality, your physical you, and everything, whatever the things are. Okay, you want to actually focus on yourself. Okay, because this has become already toxic and possessive in this relation. The past relationship was very toxic actually, and it was actually holding on you very tightly. In that relationship you were wanted to come out of this relationship, but you was not able to. So earlier also, right now also this person has some ties on you, maybe financially or something like that. So it may leads to something. Later on we will tell in other weekly love reading. So here we have Three of Swords. So I can see that you have been through this breakup, Three of Swords. So this breakup actually shattered your heart. Basically you loved them very much, but this person have put you on third party situation, possibly a romantic third party situation. They lied to you so many times. Okay, so it was very tough situation for you, heartbreaking, and I can see that you are right now healing, right? You are healing right now with this Three of Swords, but still it is very painful situation for you. So here we have Nine of Wands. So this person wants to talk to you. They want to reach out to you, but you are giving them a blocking kind of energy, okay, because you are very hurt, in very pain, but this person still tries that they can somehow talk to you, but you are not allowing them, okay. They sent you message and you are not replying to them, or maybe you already blocked them. This can happen, so I can see that you are blocking energy. So right now you are hoping for something better, okay. You are hoping that this will heal the situation you are in right now. This will heal you anyway, it will heal you, and you are hoping for the best, that sometimes in your life, some point of time, somebody will come which is very good person, and who is a perfect match for you, okay. It will come actually eventually, but right now no, it will come in future definitely. So universe, you have put your all the wishes into universe, and right now universe is doing their work, okay. So anyway, when manifestation work like that only, so you are very hopeful that, okay. So king of wand is here, that's your energy. You are actually passionate about your love life now, and because this person have hurt you so much, so you want to get out, okay. So I'm seeing you that you are enjoying your life now, you try to enjoy your life now, because you don't want to be in pain, so you are actually hanging out with your friends who are in very close you are who are very close to you, and I can see that you are maybe you are getting some hookups also, okay, with somebody. It can vary for other people's also, it because it's an international reading and lots of watchers are viewing these readings, so I can see that for some of you it will resonate, some of you it will not resonate, okay. So you might actually get some offer from a fire sign as well, in a party or party or some dance party something, I can see. So this person wants to start a new relationship with you, okay, and you also wants to start a new relationship basically, but I can see that you are taking a risk basically. I don't say this is a positive or negative card, because right now universe don't want to tell you that what is going to happen, because it's your choice, okay. So the fool is here, that means you are getting that risk, you are taking that risk, okay, and you are taking that leap of faith now, you and start this new relationship with, maybe with this person, that king of wands, maybe a fire sign person, right. So let's pull out your outcome card for this week. Give me outcome card for this week for Gemini. The moon, what I have already said. Queen of cups is here, that means you are loving, caring, nurturing person, and people watch you like that only, okay. So they see you very gentle person, they see you very beautiful person from heart, and from outside as well, so that's why they are actually attracted towards you. The moon is here, that means it's a Pisces Cancer card basically. So right now universe is telling you that don't be like in a droning situation, okay. Don't drown in your emotion, okay, yourself. So actually things will be clear out whenever the times comes, everything will be clear to you. So don't jump into it, because it's a blind spot where you cannot see everything clearly, okay. So don't jump into it, don't take this fool energy so seriously. So universe is telling that if you jump into it, then you can be drawn into another situation. So first of all, universe wants to warn you about the consequences if you take this leap of faith, okay. So let's pull out your Queen of Moon oracle message for this week from universe. Balance, okay. and assessing. So your love life is assessing, and if even if you don't know that universe is having your back, and they are trying to pull you up, and it's assessing basically. And even if you don't know, if you even if you don't see any progress in your relationship, but still it will grow, okay, in background. Actually universe is doing their work, okay. So just keep yourself balanced. Universe is saying that just heal yourself, balance yourself, then eat well, and be with some positive people, not like negative people, okay. So this is the message for this week from the universe, okay. So this was your reading, Gemini. Please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.